An AI agent just logged into Seller Central, submitted a reinstatement appeal, and uploaded 5 documents, all from a Telegram chat. Let me show you how. I'm a software engineer. I built an AI agent for Amazon Seller operations. Think of it as a VA that lives in Telegram, but it connects to Amazon's APIs, controls a real browser, and works around the clock. Everything here is from a real account. Real suspension, real appeal. Details are blurred, but nothing is staged. Every morning, the agent sends the seller a status report. Nobody asks for it. Inventory sync, open cases, email flags. If something broke overnight, the seller knows before they even open Seller Central. Here it caught that Amazon hadn't responded to an appeal in 7 days and gave 3 specific next steps. A VA would need to be told to check this. The agent just does it. And when nothing's wrong, it says that too. That's the daily baseline. But then a real problem hit. A product got suspended. The seller had the ASIN but didn't know which product it was. They told the agent, look it up using the API. The agent hit Amazon's selling partner API directly, tried 3 different endpoints before it found the right one. Product identified, full listing details, status, inactive, removed. All in under a minute from a chat message. No VA is doing that. That's a direct API call. This product had already been denied 4 times. Same generic rejection every time. The seller asked the agent to try again. The agent analyzed why previous appeals failed and built a completely different strategy. Amazon's preferred format: root cause, corrective action, preventive measures. And the killer move: it found 3 competing products with the exact same flagged ingredient, still live on Amazon. If those are allowed, this one should be too. But here's the part that surprised me. The agent caused at a previous appeal told Amazon an ingredient was not in the product, but another filing listed it as an ingredient. 2 contradicting statements across 2 different submissions. AVA won't cross reference previous appeals. This agent read the entire case history and flagged a credibility risk that could have killed the reinstatement. That's not autocomplete. That's judgment. Appeal was ready. Documents were ready. The seller said, log in and submit it through Telegram. The agent opened a browser, logged into Seller Central, navigated to account health, found the right violation, pasted the appeal, uploaded product photos and a lab certificate. 5 files attached, ready to go. Submitted. But it wasn't done. Amazon's email had asked for a 2 step process: submit the appeal and upload images to the product listing separately. The agent caught that they's only done step 1. It went back, opened the listing editor, uploaded the images there too. Both steps handled. AVA would have missed the second step. Most humans did. And the documents? The seller just dropped them into the Telegram chat. Photos from a phone, a PDF. The agent tracked what it had, what it still needed, confirmed each file, and attached everything to both the appeal and the listing. No shared drive, no email, just chat. This is not a ChatGPT wrapper with a Telegram bot on top. It's a custom agent system I built, a gateway running on a local machine, connected to Amazon's APIs, controlling a real browser, running 24/7. Telegram is just the interface. That was the monitoring and compliance side. This agent also handles PPC, pay per click advertising. And that's where things got interesting. It created 5 ad campaigns without asking.